everyone, this is Abia with the oil and water experiment. To do this experiment, I have a card. I also have a glass full of water that has been dyed blue and a glass full of oil, vegetable oil. Some background before we do some cool stuff with oil and water. Water is a polar molecule, which means it has a partial charge. It's made up of H2O, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. The oxygen is more electronegative, meaning that it attracts electrons more, so it has a partial negative charge. And the hydrogen doesn't attract electrons as much, so it has a partial positive charge. That's going to be really important in our experiment today. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put water in the center, and I'm going to try to bring oil on top with a card. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let's try. I want to make sure we have no spills this time. Okay, not that bad. We're going to slowly pull the card out. Okay, I'm okay with that. So what you can see in the bottom cup, since I filled them halfway, they moved down, but the oil is over here still on top of the water and the water is below. Now there are two reasons for that. One, water is polar, and so therefore it doesn't mix with oil because oil is non-polar. Oil has no partial charge, water does. So they don't really mix. They're immiscible, which means they don't mix. As you can see here, there's a line right there between the two. One other thing to note is that oil is less dense than water. So in a given volume, there are less molecules of oil compared to water, so it likes to float on top. Now we're going to do another trick where we're going to do this the other way. Oil will be on the bottom, water on top. Let's try it. All right, now we're going to try putting the water on top of the oil. Hopefully we can do this with as little mess as possible. Well, let's see. Got the card on top of my water. I want to make sure that there are no leaks. Let's go. Oh, okay. Okay, it worked slightly. There's a little bit of mess, but not that bad. Okay, now that the mixture is settled, we again see oils on the top, water is on the bottom. Again, the same reasons. Water and oil are different. They have different bonding structures. Water is polar covalent, meaning that the electrons are shared in the bond, but there is a partial charge. Oil is non-polar covalent, so the electrons are still shared, but equally. So they don't mix because like dissolves like. Similar bonds dissolve similar bonds. Non-polar and covalent are non-polar covalent, and polar covalent are different bonds, so they don't mix. Cool experiment. I'll see you guys next time.